In maths, we are going to study the introduction of number system. In maths, there are mainly 5 types of number which we have to study. The first is natural number, second is whole number, third is integer, fourth is rational number, and fifth is irrational number. The first set of number is known as natural number. We denoted natural number by capital N. We also call it natural number as the counting numbers. So natural number are the set of number which contains or starts with the number digit 1, 2, 3, and likewise all positive numbers up to infinite. So this set of numbers starting with the 1 and up to infinite are called the natural numbers. The second set of number we have to study is a whole numbers. We denoted whole numbers by capital W. So whole number is a number which starting with the 0 and contains all of the natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. So whole number contains 0 and all natural numbers including up to infinite is called the whole number set. The third set of number is integer. Integer is basically a number which is starting from a negative infinite number and to 0, contains 0 and positive all natural numbers up to infinite. So basically integer is denoted by capital Z and contains all the negative number up to infinite, जैसे minus infinite, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and all numbers. So here we call these negative numbers are called negative integers, and the 1, 2, 3 for all positive numbers are called positive integers. And we do not give the sign to the 0, so the 0 has neither positive or nor negative number. So this is called integers. The fourth set of number is rational number. This rational number is contained the first of all for the rational number we have to study its definition. The rational number is a number which can be denoted by in denominator like p and q form. So here p and q nothing but the denominator and numerator, where p and q must be integers. This is the very important thing, that p and q must be integers and the value of q does not equals to 0. So rational numbers are number which can be denoted in form of p by q. Just for example, if we take a number which is 5 by 7. So here numerator 5 which is integer and 7 is also integer and 5 by 7 is in p by q form. So this is a rational number. So we can say 5 by 7 is a rational number. So now we will take another example, just minus 4 upon 5. So here minus 4 is also integer which is p, and q which is 5 is also integer. So we can say minus 4 by 5 is rational number. Now if you ask me that sir 0 is a rational number or not, so can we express the 0 in the p by q form? So yes, we can write the 0 as a 0 divided by 1. So answer will be 0 itself. So this is a p which is integer and 1 is a q which is also an integer. So 0 is also a rational number which is denoted by p by q form. So we can denote every natural number, or we can say every integer in the form of p by q. Like if we take a minus 3, then we will denote minus 3 by 1. Also we know the equivalent fraction, that is if I take minus 9 by 3, then it is also a rational number which is the form of minus 3. So we can say minus 3 is a rational number. So we can say any integers can be rational number, and we will see more about a rational number in the next session. Last number set is irrational number, the number which we cannot represent in p by q form, where p and q is integers, or we can say the number which are not rational is called irrational number. So we don't have any such a proof of a rational number, but we can say the number which cannot be represented in p by q, just like root 2. Here root 2 is a irrational number, so we have to prove that this is not a rational number. So in root 2 we can write root 2 by 1 in p by q form, but here root 2 is not an integer, so we cannot say this is a rational number. So root 2 is not a rational. So we have seen the definition that if we can say the number which are not rational is called irrational, so root 2 is not rational number, so we can say that root 2 is irrational number. So a number just like root 2 is another root 3, root 5, etc. These are called the irrational number. So in other words, we can write the definition of irrational number is if we take any integer or any natural number m, m is a natural number, and we write in a under root. So root m is irrational number in which we cannot find any root of m. So if we take root 4, then the square root of 4 we know that it is 2. So root 4 is not a irrational number, it is a rational number, because It is not irrational because we can write it in the form of 2, which we can write in p by q form, and 2 and 1 is also. So number m will be such a number that square root is not. The square root of m is not possible. So this type of number is called irrational number. So we will study more about this in this chapter, and rational and irrational number.